the leash.
Don't move. You could have a broken neck.
It's whiplash, that's all.
Yeah, or it's a spinal fracture and you're quadriplegic for life.
All right, you're going to be okay, senor. I'll take care of you.
Where's the cut? Senor, it's a small puncture wound. Poquito. See?
Okay, so you just try to relax. I want to turn you over to Dr. Bradley here. We got 500 cc's out of the right chest, 18% second degree, 9% third degree burns, left in the chest, abdomen, and right shoulder. You're going to be in good shape, sir. Susan, what do you got?
Let me try to get a word with one of the doctors.
Neck, chest, and right hip trauma.
Okay, ma'am, my name is Dr. Benton. I don't want you to worry about a thing. I'm going to take care of you, okay? All right, let's move it. We got to move, gone. Let's go. Clear. Get her in here. Get her in here. Right here. Stop.
Yeah, right here.
All right, we need some raise and relief. Morphine 5, IV push, clear, Sue. Here we go. Up. Lifter and shifter. All right, cross-taking C-spine, right hip, and pelvis. Round up a bone crusher. Now, move. On my count, on 3. 1, 2, 3.
We need ortho and trauma 2, ortho and ER trauma 2. 2 fingers. And now what do you see?
Such a rock. Lucky girl.
Double patch your eye and green tag her to the waiting room now, please.
What? Did I say something?
Where's Carter? Carter, where the hell have you been? Grab some scissors, move.
How soon can she go up?
Get her pictures, have the orthopods look at her, 15 minutes.
Well, we need the room. The OR's opened up. Let them see her up there.
All right, people, you heard the boss. Let's heal him and will him. Let's move.
The room's not even...
You need help?
Neck, back, abdominal pains, BP's falling 70 over 40, pulse is 120, skin's cool and dry.
What's your name, sir?
Edward Kaplan, call me Eddie. You the doc?
Yes, I am. How are you feeling?
Haven't been tied up this tight since last Saturday night.
Thank you for sharing, Mr. Kaplan. On 3. 1, 2, 3.
ER, please hold. ER, please hold. Shoot me if I take this job again. ER.
Gun, I'll shoot you now.
ER, please hold. ER, please
ER.
hold.
Call Fire Station 23. The number's right there. See if they can pick up these docs stuck at home. Yeah. We got.
Smoke inhalation. Yellow tag him to curtain 2.
Got it. Go.
Come on. Here you go. What do you got?
I kind of hurt my hand.
Let me see. Whoa, where's your thumb?
It's right here.
Hey, all right, Malik. Malik, red tag him straight to the OR. Okay, here's his thumb. Take it.
Mrs. Tweed, Mrs. Tweed, everything's fine. Everything's fine. Just relax. Just relax. You okay? Yeah.
We found her laying out in the snow. No idea who she belongs to.
All right, I'll take
She's got a set of lungs. Coat.
Dexter Jones, 25, band rolled on him. No seatbelt. Left below the knee amputation. He's shocky. Rescue punch in the snow. Rescue 7's looking for the rest of his leg.
Got it. Second finish 2? Okay, this is next patient.
All right.
They come at you with that Foley catheter. Run, Jack! Don't walk!